Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was working on my Lamborghini. I was over here working on my Lamborghini and I looked up right there and I noticed my little tractor that sits right in that empty spot. And I thought, you know what? I've maybe mentioned it before, but I've never shown this little guy on the channel. And I thought, you know what? This is an awesome little model kit. And I wanted to show it to you guys. So it's the Porsche Diesel Junior 108. It's a Revell Germany kit. I got it from Hobby Lobby. And let me tell you guys, this is an amazing little model kit. I've been looking at some Heller makes tractor kits, and I'm thinking about, and you guys let me know in the comments, what do you think if I did some farm tractor builds? Would that be something that would interest you guys? Because this little fella was amazing. He's 1/24 scale, and I'd never heard of a Porsche tractor. I didn't know Porsche made tractors. I know Lamborghini made tractors, but this was back when Hobby Lobby still, because Hobby Lobby's gone crazy with their prices now. But it was $22.99. I'm sure I got the 40% discount or something like that. But yeah, when I saw this little kit at Hobby Lobby, I knew. And this is before model car videos existed. I'd already built this, and I was super stoked about the way this build turned out, because it's just, they did just an absolute wonderful job on the detail. I've never seen one of these tractors in real life, and I noticed that I've got a little bit of scuffing right above my top, right there where the hood, because the hood opens. But man, this little thing was just a joy, literally a joy to build. And it's as show quality as anything I've got. And this is a spray can, because with a tractor you're not looking for the finish, the ultimate finish. You're looking for, something industrial. And whatever, I don't remember what I used to paint this with, but it was probably like Rust-Oleum or something like that. But anyway, this little fella turned out just awesome. It's got this little seat or something up here that's wood, so I made sure that I tried to get that looking like wood. The dash has a few little, I don't know how close I can get before it starts to get out of zoom, but the dash has got some little decals, all the little gear shifters, and all the detail for low and high range, and all your brakes and all those little gadgets. It's just a cool little guy. And this is a guy, not a girl. So a lot of cars are girls, but this is a little fella. I don't know why, but it just seems like that would be more fitting. But the front wheels, they steer. The rear wheels, you just can't get any cooler than that. I've got a little 1949 John Deere Model M. I think it's a Model M. And it's a little small tractor, kind of like this. I actually use it. It runs. I have a little bush hog, and I use it. I have a bush hog. I don't have very many implements. I've got a bush hog, but I've got like a boom that goes on the back that I can lift stuff with. But it's a cool little tractor. And when I saw this kit at Hobby Lobby, this is probably, I've never really looked to see what the date of this tractor is. I'm looking at the box now. 52. So it says starting production is right there, 1952. So somewhere, in the vicinity of where my my John Deere tractor would have been made, and that's what really caught my eye. But the hood lifts on it, and I see a little scuff right here too. But you'll get those when you're using your tractor. You'll get little scuffs and dings and stuff from, hooking the bush hog up to the PTO. I don't know if this one actually had a PTO. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it just had a trailer hitch. But but it is a cool little kit. The rear tires, I've got them glued solid so they don't roll, but the front tires actually do. Well, at least one of them rolls. And it's got a hitch on the front right there. And it's air-cooled. You know, Porsche is always been an air-cooled, no, it hasn't always, but it at this point, it was an air-cooled engine, or a company that made, you know, Porsche basically is a glorified Volkswagen, because Ferdinand Porsche is who came up with the concept of Volkswagen, or started Volkswagen. Ferdinand Porsche did, and Ferdinand Porsche was an air-cooled enthusiast, apparently. But this is not a turbocharger. This is an air intake. This is the fan. This is where the air comes into the engine, and then it blows across the head. By the way, this is before I came across panel line accents. So if you'll notice, there is no panel line accent in this. It's just silver. But you can see the fins in there where the air would come across the fan shrouds and blow across the fins. And there is a... here's the battery. Oh, you know what? It actually has a hood prop. I didn't even realize that, because the hood kind of stays up on its own. But there is a hood prop right here. You see it goes across the gas tank there. The battery's nicely detailed. Gives you a great little decal for the battery. But just such a greatly engineered kit. You guys, if you haven't already got this kit, I would recommend you go get it, because you'll have so much fun building it. It's got some little decals that are on the side here that I ain't got a dang clue what they are, but they almost look like awards or something like that. I can't get it to focus exactly. There we go. I can't see it. I've got my glasses on. Maybe you guys can make out what it says, but they were like a little awards or something like that. But anyway, darn camera, crazy thing. Let me get the hood to close without breaking something. It's like it will stay up, and if you push it back, it will stay up, and then you pull it forward. And I thought I could get it to close. Well, there we go. So yeah, a little Porsche farm tractor. Coolest little kit ever. I probably had more fun with this one than anything that I've ever built. But anyways, guys, yeah, if you hadn't got this kit, go check it out. And again, I kind of felt sorry for him. He was sitting there on the shelf. He's been so patient. He's been one of the most patient models that I've got, and I just thought that it was fitting, and it was time for him to be shown. And here he is. His name is Porsche Diesel Jr. That's pretty funny. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hey, I just wanted to show you this little before model car videos build. And this one, like I say, is probably, before model car videos started, this is probably the best, other than my old 53 Ford weathered job that I took to Acme this year. This is probably the best build that I had. I tried my best on this one to make it look like the box did. Although my wheel color is not quite as yellow, it's a little bit more white or tan. It did turn out great. This is a showroom build. This is not a in the field. It's never tilled any dirt. It's never got anything nasty. This is showroom quality right here. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you've subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, go consider subscribing, liking this video, and also go down in the description of this video to all of my links, especially Hobby Nut Models. Hobby Nut Models is a sponsor of my channel, and Mark over at Hobby Nut is a small business, and let's support our small businesses. He has MCW paint, which I didn't use on this. If I did use MCW paint, it would not have looked authentic, because it would have been so glossy and so shiny. It would not have looked authentic. Go check out Mark's line of MCW Tamiya kits, glues, sanding file, anything you need for a quality model. Go check it out. He'll have it at Hobby Nut Models. Go check him out. Linked in the description below, as well as the Facebook group and the Spring Store, where you can go get yourself a Model Car Videos t-shirt. But it's a little cold for t-shirts now, so grab yourself a hoodie instead. And a coffee mug to keep your hands warm. And maybe a sticker to remind you of these videos. And to my Patreon group, thank you guys for all your support. And if you have not been a member of the Patreon group, or if you would like to consider being a member of the Patreon group, go check it out. It's linked in the description of this video, as well as my daughter Ruthie's channel. Go check out Simply Ruth. And my mom's cooking channel, Beebah's Kitchen. Go check all those things out. Everything is linked in the description of my videos, as well as my email and so on and so forth. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this guy. And would farm tractors be something that interests you as far as me building? Because I think they're cool as can be. If we didn't have farm tractors, we wouldn't have vegetables. If we didn't have vegetables, we wouldn't have food sometimes. So what do you think? All right, guys, you take care. See ya.